How to use Box Smart Stockup feature. Box Smart Stockup is an AI-powered predictive feature designed to automate your reordering process. So basically, what here you need to do is this feature is designed to be a low effort and a large automated with a Box ecosystem. So simply want to launch open the Box app onto your device. You could simply shop as a usual on box.com or Box, and the system analyzes your past purchase and data to learn your consumption pattern. And when AI determines you are likely running low on product like snack, toilet paper, or detergent, it will automatically recommend these items to you at the right time. You can interact with the bot chat or Bulky via Facebook Messenger because Bulky is integrated with a smart stockup, and you could ask it which item you're low on, and it will assist you in building your basket and reordering them quickly. So this way you're supposed to use the Box Smart Stockup feature. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.